Patrick Marsh returned to Camp Mystic's Bubble Inn cabin. He sat where his 8-year-old daughter Sarah slept and looked out the window. He said safety on higher ground was about 50 yards away, calling the tragedy 100% preventable. Sarah Marsh of Birmingham was among 27 campers and counselors killed when floodwaters engulfed cabins in Texas on July 4, 2025. Her parents pushed Texas to pass new camp safety requirements and now urge Alabama and other states to tighten rules. Similar bills were filed in Missouri. Alabama's Sarah Marsh Heavens 27 Camp Safety Act advanced from committee with Governor Kay Ivey's backing.